Let's make some mac and cheese. I'm just gonna make the box mac and cheese, a whole box of it for lunch. And I already put 2 cups of water. Now this box takes 6. So let's do that real quick. Another 2 go in there. So that's 4. Last 2. So that's 6. Okay, now we're boiling the water. While we're waiting, we'll get the other stuff ready. What it says is we're gonna need 4 tablespoons of melted butter for the end and 1/4 cup of milk. We got the cup ready for the 1/4 of milk. Now we're just gonna set this to the side and wait until that gets to a boil. Now let's get the butter ready. I'm gonna grab just a little bowl. There's 4 tablespoons left of this butter, so I'm just gonna use it. Now let's set this to the side. And now I like adding extra cheese, American cheese. I just add the slices at the end though, so let's get those ready. I like extra cheese on mine, so let's go get that. Just found it right here. Now let's set that to the side. I did put the milk up so it can stay cold because you're gonna want it cold because it's gonna be really hot. So yeah, it's starting to get to a boil, but we have to wait until it's a rapid boil, so let's just wait. While we're waiting, let's pick out a spoon. I'll just use this one. I'll just use this one. We're gonna go ahead and put our mac and cheese in. Gotta take out the packet of cheese, set it to the side. Now we're gonna pour it in. Okay. Now turn it to medium. That's what I like doing when it's actually in. You can stir for a little while. You don't want it to stick to the bottom. It says cook for 7 to 8 minutes, so I'm gonna set a timer on my Alexa. I'm just gonna put the strainer in the sink, and then I already set the alarm, so we're good. All we gotta do is wait. But we gotta make sure we keep stirring so the noodles don't stick to the bottom. Okay, it's starting to get to a really high boil, so I'm just gonna let it sit for a minute with the wooden spoon over top of it. My timer just went up, and so I'm gonna try a noodle. They're ready. First, we're gonna turn off the burner, then take out the wooden spoon. My thing here. I got it, and now I'm just gonna pour it in. Let's put the milk in. Put the cheese. First, we're gonna put the cheeses in because it's hot right now, and we want it to be hot. I'm gonna melt down my butter a little bit. I put it in for 10 seconds, and now let's put the powder in. Now we're gonna mix. Now we're gonna add the butter. Now we're gonna add the milk. If yours is liquidy like mine, the butter will stiffen up, so if you just want to let it sit there for a minute, you can. I got this orange bowl for mac and cheese. Now we're just going to pour it into this bowl. Come back for part 2 because I don't have enough time to finish.